Hi guys! Sema hi.
Hi.
Hello good people, welcome to the Rays of Sunshine with Liz, and today we have Mgeni. So today we're going to be painting this wall, or rather we're going to change the look of this wall. This is an undercoat. We have already painted the undercoat. We're going to slide a photo of what it used to look like before, and now we're going to change the entire color, both inside and outside. But we are going to start with the outside, and I hope this vlog is going to be interesting. And my brother and sister are somewhere there just making noise for us. But anyway guys, let's do this. And in case you're new to this channel, karibu sana. Here's where we have fun and spread the sunshine. Sema, spread the sunshine. Sema, spread the sunshine. So guys, we want to show you the color that we're going in. That is Duracoat by the color that light caramel, and then we are going to lighten it up, or mix it with some water to make it lighter. So we have some water there, and then so I'm doing this with my brother. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, so we're going in with some water kidogo kidogo too, so as we koroga it. So it's not supposed to be very light, just enough thickness. Okay guys, so far that is what we have. We've painted half of it from the undercoat, now the main color, the first layer. So what we're going to do now, we want to go and do from the front, or rather paint the front part. This is the front part. You can see there's only the undercoat done all the way to that other side. Aki, the colors that were here, I don't know who selected them. We will go and change the color, but that is a story for another time. So what we're going to do is the same camel brown is going to go on the sections that are painted white. Then all the maroon parts and the blue parts that you can see chunguliaing under the undercoat are all going to go in a different shade of brown. So yeah, kazi iendelee, and the sun is hot, 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 hot. And the kids went to play, and this is where we are at the moment. It's almost the same rangi as this one over here, but now we're going to do something. We're thinking of changing that now, but anyway, case for another time. How you feeling, Frank?
Hey.
Over. Yeah. Nakuja na rangi. Nakuja na rangi. Nakuja na rangi. So there they are, very busy. Busy bees.
Hello guys.
You want to paint? Haya, tuende tushike ingine. This painting process has turned into a chicken hunting agenda. Haya, shika ingine nikiona. Waliosha. Look, she has drawn me on the wall. Mimi. Si ushike ingine nikiona. Sio hiyo imechoka.
Good.
Okay. Oh, what is that? A chick. What's the name of that chick?
His name is.
Yes. His name is? Yes. Chocolate. Okay, sawa. Good girl. Na huyo anaitwa nani? Strawberry. Oh, unapenda strawberry ama huyu chocolate?
Strawberry.
Unapenda strawberry? Haya, mwachilie basi strawberry aende acheze na chocolate.
Mama nidunga.
Amekudunga, anataka kukula mguu yako because umeshika beste wake strawberry. Can you see that? That's a wasp. It has just stung my brother. So, because we are painting, we pause at that. It's not an easy task, as I thought earlier, but okay, my brother has been stung. So you can see them, they're still flying. Si mnaona ndo ile moja. Sasa hii ni mafuta taa. So unaenda kufanyaje kwa hiyo maana hiyo mafuta taa?
Namwaga hapa. Alafu tukisha mwaga hapa, tunaweka kwa hiyo kitu.
Kwa hiyo hive yake.
Alafu zinanusa mafuta ya taa.
Zinakufa. Oh. Sasa si ukinini zitakudunga tena, zitakusting.
Asinika na tunatoka mbio, si ndio?
Sawa, let's see. Junior. Let's tuone kenye ita happen. Me, I'll be watching from a distance. Sitaki kuharibu my body. Ziko mob mse.
Hapa nakimbilia wapi? Ina hata misioni hiyo nyumba.
Ngoja ndio hapa nyingine.
Wapi?
Ndio hapa sasa.
Ziko mob?
Kwanza na hiyo. Lakini sasa
na hiyo kubwa.
basi. Kae na.
Sawa. Is this war? Cheki Franka amemwona B na Wasp. Hiyo vita haingeshindikana hivyo. The Wasps decided to fight back. Yay guys, it's coming up so well. Let me show you how far we have come. Yeah, so far. I'm loving the progress so far. See that? See that? We have not done the neatening yet. You can see some rough edges there.
Bye.